All right, Sergeant Ingram, are all our participants here?
Yes, sir. Everybody's present.
Okay, all right. Councils, I have a letter from one of our jurors, which I'll mark as the next course exhibit in order. And because, it references, I'm not gonna disclose what type of procedure our juror's gonna have, but it'll be on the 17th of July. So we're gonna take an administrative, I think we're gonna take an administrative day anyways for that particular day, 17 July. So if you want to mark your calendars accordingly, we're gonna take the day on that day. And if you want to come up and take a look at it, it's just not for public consumption, okay? But she's gonna have a procedure and you can see which juror it is. But we'll be down that day.
Give it to him.
Yes. Yeah, rejection be sealing it, council's given, and it's got PII in it.
In reading that, looks like she needs.
No, she does not need that. She's gonna do her prep later.
Okay.
Okay. She's gonna do her prep that evening, just the 17th. Does anybody have any objection to the court sealing that particular exhibit?
No, not from the stage.
Anytime? Okay, all right, okay. Just so you all know. All right. Okay, can we bring back in Mr. Arnold, please? Mr. Copeland, I should say. Mr. Copeland. Okay, Ms. Bumpus, good afternoon, madam. Again. Okay, did you have an opportunity to talk with your client, Mr. Copeland?
Yes, Judge. Can we talk to the phone?
Yes, you can. Go ahead.
Yes, and I got him to sign a written consent discharging me. I filed a motion to withdraw and I proposed an order.
Okay, can I see it, please?
May I vote?
You can. Okay, I'll mark this as the next course exhibit in order. Do you have a formal order that you're gonna prepare with the style of the case and the case number?
Yes, Judge. That's just his signature. I prepared an order and I filed a motion with the clerk's office. I'm waiting on a file stamp.
All right, okay. Mr. Copeland, let me hand you. This document, did you read and sign that document?
Yes,
All right, did you have an opportunity to talk with Ms. Bumpus, your satisfaction about pros and cons of her withdrawing as your counsel in this case?
yes,
Do you wish for her to go ahead and withdraw as counsel?
yeah.
Okay, all right, let me have that back one moment. Okay, I'll mark this as the next court exhibit in order, madam. We got it. We'll just mark it as the next court exhibit in order. Do you need a copy of it to file with your, because it'll be made part of the record, but do you need a copy of it?
No, Judge.
Okay, all right. All right, so I will go ahead and authorize you to withdraw as his counsel in this matter, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Okay.
I'm excused.
Not quite yet. Madam, as a result, I'm going to also have you appear on the 25th of June. I have filed an order to show cause, and I'm going to give you a copy of it. You can read it, acknowledge it, just that you received a copy of it, and we'll see you on the 25th of June at 9:30 in courtroom 1C.
All right,
So you need to be here for that day, okay?
okay.
All right, we'll see you then. Are all jurors present, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. Summon our jurors, please. Sergeant, ladies and gentlemen, please be seated. All right, Ms. Hilton, you may continue, madam, whenever you're ready.
Good afternoon, Mr. Copeland. When we left, I believe that I'm showing you what's been Martin States did the 373 Yankee. Looking at what's in front of you as 373 Yankee and what's on the screen, does that appear to be the same image that's in front of you?
It looked the same.
Okay, and is the image on the screen clearer for you than the image that's in front of you?
No, they look the same.
Okay, if I enlarge it, are you able to tell who's in the picture in 373 Yankee by me enlarging the picture on the screen?
No.
No. Now showing you 344 Yankee.
Which one it is?
Is this 348 Yankee, my apologies. Is that 348 Yankee in front of you?
You already showed me that one.
Okay, and before I think you said it was blurry as well
No, I answered you.
for this one. I want to admit if I haven't, thank you so much for correcting that 348 Yankee isn't having. Oh, you like to admit 348 Yankee.
Any objection to states 348 Yankee? All right, states 348 Yankee is admitted. It's already been, I thought it was admitted already.
It could have been.
Oh, I thought it was admitted already, 348 Yankee.
Stacy did a 344 Yankee. Were you able to identify who was in 344 Yankee?
No,
Okay. And why is that?
it's blurry.
That's the one as well. Yes. You're welcome. Looking at 6344 Yankee that's in front of you, is that appears to be the same picture that's on the computer screen?
It looked the same.
Now, if I blow up or enlarge Stacy with 344 Yankee, are you able now to see the individuals that are inside of the picture? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, if you could tell us who's inside the picture now that it's enlarged.
Excuse me.
Can you tell us who's in the picture?
Me,
Yes. Who else?
rapper Lil Boosie,
Okay. Anyone else?
Shannon D, and it looked like the other Lil D. I don't know the other guy.
All right, so both little D's are in that picture.
That's what I said.
All right. Your Honor, this time the state would like to admit 6344 Yankee.
Any objection to states 344 Yankee? All right, hearing none, it's admitted and may be published as you see fit.
Next, Mr. Cole, I want to show you 164 Echo. Golf, Echo Hotel. Echo Juliet, Echo Kilo. I think before I might have said Echo India. It's actually Echo Lima. Can you flip through those and tell me if you recognize who's in these pictures?
There you go.
First, starting with Stacy's Exhibit 164 Echo Golf. Do you recognize who's in that picture?
No,
You don't?
no, I can't.
Why is that?
Because it's blurry. I can't see.
Looking at 164 Echo H Hotel. Are you able to recognize who's in that picture?
Yeah, me and Young Thug.
Your Honor, this I seem like tender 164 Echo Hotel into evidence.
Any objection to states 164 Echo Hotel?
On behalf of Mr. Williams.
All right, it's admitted and may be published as you see fit.
Okay, next, 164 Echo Juliet.
Me and Duke.
Okay. Your Honor, this time the state would like to tender 164 Echo Juliet into evidence.
Any objection to states 164 Echo Juliet?
Your Honor, may I take a peek at that?
You certainly can.
164 EJ.
Okay, thank you.
You're on Big County Center looking at 164 Echo Juliet.
Any further objection to states 164 Echo Juliet?
Your Honor, I will object to the writing, not the photo.
Can I see it, please?
Your Honor, we do have a response.
Let me see it first. All right, Mr. Steele and Ms. Hilton, approach, please.
Your Honor, it's 164 Echo Juliet.
Yes, it's admitted with the court's instructions.
Thank you, Your Honor. And next, who's in 164 Echo Kilo?
Me?
Okay. Your Honor, this time the state would like to tender 164 Echo.
Hold up, let me make sure they me.
Make sure. Is it you?
Yeah.
All right. Your Honor, this time the state would like to tender States Exhibit 164 Echo Kilo into evidence.
Any objection to states 164 Echo Kilo?
On behalf of the short.
It's admitted, thank you.
And the States Exhibit
It may be
164.
published when you see fit.
Thank you, Your Honor. And States Exhibit 164 Echo Lima. Who is in 164 Echo Lima?
Me?
Anyone else?
It looked like Doug in the background, but I can't really see her face.
Your Honor, this time the state would like to tender for admit, excuse me, States Exhibit 164 Echo Lima into evidence.
Any objection to states 164 Echo Lima?
Foundation.
I sustain it as a foundation. You can lay one more foundation.
Is that you in the picture? Is that you? Just yes or no?
What did I just say?
I'm asking you again, Mr. Copeland. Is that you in the picture?
I just said that was me.
Okay. And the person in the background, are saying that you think that it's Doug. How do you think that it's Doug? Why do you think it's Doug?
Because the other picture you showed me, it was me and Doug.
Okay. Your Honor, this time the state would like to send States Exhibit 164 Echo Lima into evidence.
I'll hold firm. Same objection.
I sustain the objection.
Do you remember, Your Honor, my apologies, this is already admitted. These exhibits are already admitted because 164 Echo itself is admitted. These are excerpts from 164 Echo.
When was 164 admitted, Christina?
That would have been with Agent Racy a few weeks ago.
All right, fantastic.
164 Echo. It's like 5:15.
I have Echo 164 Echo, Echo Alpha, Echo Bravo, Echo Charlie, Echo Delta, Echo Echo, and Echo Foxtrot were admitted.
Yes. And those are all the full records of Mr. Williams, in which these pictures come from. So
Sure.
this section.
Show those to Mr. Steele, please.
The original exhibits.
Yeah, and so that, I'm so satisfied that that's from the original exhibit.
here is the CD with his title under it, and then we'll start doing it.
Anything further, sir? Mr. Steele?
So my understanding, and please, if I'm wrong, correct me, but my understanding is that the entire Instagram came in under a records custodian certificate. That doesn't make it all admissible in a courtroom. It means that it's here properly and then can be described. So I'm objecting to we're going one by one. That's why we have so many. And I'm objecting to foundation of 164EL because the gentleman testifying said, I believe, I don't recognize her, or something to that effect. That's my memory.
I have a response.
Yes,
Your Honor, the evidence has been admitted, and so the
but
only,
it's still subject to an objection.
the objection could be a relevance objection, but we could publish, I literally could publish this as it shows right now and ask him who was in the picture. It's
But if he
an
doesn't recognize it, it's still,
Then he could just say he doesn't recognize that person, but it's still evidence that can be published and it's relevant. So the only
Well,
objection
here's-
is relevance objection. Because it's admitted.
y'all come on up. maybe publish as you see fit.
Okay. And then last thing, Mr. Copeland, looking at the computer screen, do you see the same picture that's in front of you, 164 Echo Golf?
Yeah, I see it.
Okay, now, enlarging the picture, before you said, did you say that this was blurry to you?
Yeah, that's blurry too.
So are you saying that you cannot see who is in 164 Echo?
I cannot see who in it on the computer.
All right, now I want to start publishing a few pictures. I'm gonna first publish what's already been admitted as 56W. Looking at 56W, who's in that picture?
Me and Young Thug.
And I wanna scroll in. Do you see where it says taken?
I'm not good reading.
Okay, you see the second line on that paper from the side,
What paper?
on what's on the picture? You see where it says taken right here?
This line right here?
Yeah, going over,
Right here?
yep. And going this way, do you see a year? You see a 2000 number? Yep, right there, what does that say?
2014.
Do you know that to be 2014?
Oh, okay, my bad. 2014.
All right, now I wanna go down to the bottom, you see where it says text? All the way to the bottom.
This one right here?
You can't see it on there. Can you see where? Can you move it up on that screen? All right, Ms. Copeland, can you turn around for me? Thank you.
He told me don't be turning around in the chair.
Who told you to turn around, Sheree?
Somebody.
All right, well, I don't think they don't want you to fall off. So
Okay.
just be careful not to fall off. Looking at here, what does that say?
Woody?
Okay, what else?
372.
All right.
It look like an R.
Mm-hmm. Oh, excuse me, yes.
Love.
All right.
Bye.
Mm-hmm.
Me.
Okay. At Woody 372, is that you in the picture? Is that you? Is that your Instagram name?
No, my Instagram Woody is Woody versus Woody.
In 2014, was that your Instagram name?
Not that I recall.
Not as you recall, all right. I want to go to it's already been admitted as 164 Echo Hotel.
I need to stand up again.
You may have to.
not gonna do the up and down.
You might have to. Or if you can read it from the side, but you can't. Can you, who's in this picture? Can you see it on this screen next to you, or you need to turn around?
You talking this picture right here?
Yes,
There's me and Young Thug.
all right. And scrolling down and going to the take-in, do you see that same year of 2014?
The same place as the last one?
Yep.
What?
year? Do you see that?
The same thing as the last picture?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I see it.
Okay. Does that say 2014?
Yes, it said the same as the last picture.
All right. And you can scroll down. All right, I don't think it's showing up on your side screen. You can turn your chair back this way. And you can sit so long as you can read it. What does the text say?
Me and my little, hold up. I don't know what they say. I thought they look like this.
You need to scroll in a little bit more.
Yeah, I don't know.
Are you able to zoom in more?
They like just a square right there.
Okay. Well, what's next to that?
WODDIE, Woody.
Okay. And do you see the same Instagram name?
Yeah, Woody 372.
All right. And again, is that you in the same picture?
What same picture?
Is that you in this picture?
Yeah.
At the top. And they call you Woody, right?
WOODY.
Okay. And what does it say next to that?
ELATT.
Okay. And what does it say next to that?
SLATT.
Okay, I know you spelled, have you heard the term black and slack before?
Yeah, I heard that.
Okay, is that what that say, black and slack?
I guess.
All right. Let's go to 164, Echo Juliet.
I got stood up again.
If you can't see it on the side, yes. If you can see it on the side, then no. Now, who is this in the picture?
That me.
And who's behind you?
They do.
All right. And when you scroll, if you can scroll down. With the taken date, is that still the same year of 2014?
Just like the last picture.
And do you know that to be December 21st, 2014?
It just say 2014.
Is there a dash next to it? What's the number next to 2014?
12,
And what's the number next to that?
21.
All right. Now, scrolling down, are you able to see the text on that page?
Oh, damn, I can move it.
See, so now you don't have to get over there. What does the text say? No, go down to the bottom, remember, at the bottom line, the last line,
On this?
right here. Read that entire line. All of that.
Hey,
Does that say, hey,
hey, don't.
where are you reading it? Where are you reading it?
You said read the line right there.
You said it say, hey, don't.
How you pronounce that word?
Let's blow it up. Let's see if you can pronounce it. You can control it. Go ahead.
You can-
What you said.
Oral, sir.
Is that clear for you?
Don't follow me. You might get dead in.
Okay, is there a hashtag after that?
UDIGG.
All right. Now, the first word, does that word appear to be hat?
Hat.
Yes.
Is that what they pronounce?
All right. Let's go to State's Exhibit 164 Echo Kilo.
I didn't put no words on there.
Are you saying it's not your Instagram account?
I didn't see no Instagram account on it.
Okay. But you said that you did not type those words.
Not that I know of.
Please go on. Now, Ms. Cole, are you able to zoom like you've been doing on that screen?
Yeah, but they doing it on his own.
What's, are you able to see everything? What's the date on that same taking line that we were talking about before? Yes.
2015.
Okay. If you see a 1 and a 1 next to it,
Yeah.
is that either January 1st, 2015? Do you know?
I guess
Okay, that's fine.
if it say that.
All right. Go down to the bottom on the text. What does it say?
Same spot.
Says what?
Woody 372. About that action.
And again, did you recall posting that picture and typing it? Or writing it? Did you do that?
I don't even recall seeing this picture.
All right, that's fine. Next, can we get 164 Echo Lee? Yes, who's in the picture?
Me?
And you said who's in the background?
It looked like Young Thug.
All right. And you can scroll on to the date again?
To the who?
Not to you. That same line, what is the year of that on that taken line?
2015.
All right. And what's the number next to 2015?
1,
And what's the number next to that?
a 6,
And is that for January 6th, 2015?
I guess.
Going down to the bottom, what does the text say?
Hat.
All right, go ahead.
Y'all hat. Hat. Y'all hating. Hating. Hatting. As follow. Stay where y'all at. And everyone else.
All right, thank you. Now I want to show you what's been admitted as Secret 368Y. Stacy did a 368 Y.
Birdman,
Okay. And is that you?
Young Thug, and me.
All right. Looking at 369 Yankee.
Me and Young Thug.
370 Yankee.
Me and Young Thug.
All right, and where y'all at in this picture?
It looked like a house, a kitchen or something. I can't recall where we at.
All right, do you know, was that your home?
I can't recall where we at.
I'm gonna go back to 369 Yankee. Where are you all on the airplane at 369 Yankee?
That's what it looked like.
I'm gonna go to 371 Yankee. Is that also you and Young Thug?
Yes.
And where are y'all at 371 Yankee?
It looked like a shooting or a clothing store.
All right. Looking at 372 Yankee. Tell Jers who's in that picture, 372 Yankee.
Rapper Yak got it. Young Thug. Duke. Me. And I can't recall his name, but I used to see him a lot.
Okay, do you know a nickname for him?
I think I just call him like OG, big. Yeah,
Does it look like someone in OG Bentley?
yeah, I think that's his name.
That's his name.
I think so. I ain't for sure though.
You're not for sure, but does that look like the person you know at OG Bentley?
I know I see him around.
Oh, that's fair. And is that dude that far back behind you?
They most definitely do.
All right, and then that's you with a red hat.
Look like me, don't it?
Does it look like you?
They look better than me now though, but
That's fair. All right, next, I want to show you 373 Yankee. I believe 373 Yankee.
Which one, madam? I'm sorry.
373 Yankee.
No, you identified 369 Yankee through 373 Yankee. They were not admitted yet.
I identified but didn't admit it.
That's correct.
Okay, thank you.
Pay attention to something.
So I'm looking here, are you able to see who's in 373?
did I ask you already with this?
I don't recall, that's why I'm asking you.
Yeah.
Yes, you know, or yes,
That's me, Thug, and Yak got it.
okay, you're right, this time it seemed like the admit 373.
Any objection to states 373 Yankee?
I don't have one on behalf of Mr. Wilson.
All right. It's admitted and may be published as you see fit.
Thank you. Now, Mr. Copeland, is that you in the black shirt?
Yep,
Is that Thug in the middle with his arm raised?
yep.
And is that Yak with the plaid shirt and white shirt?
This year got it.
Okay, thank you. Now, these pictures that we were just shown, you know that some of them were posted in 2014 and 2015. The rest of the pictures that are not from Instagram, do you know when those pictures were posted or pictures were taken?
Say that again. Can you say that again?
Sure. The pictures that were taken that we just looked at,
You show me a lot of pictures.
for all the pictures,
Okay.
roughly, do you know about when they were taken?
Is it like in general? Like, I don't know what you mean.
Sure. Were those pictures taken like 2014 and 2015 when you were hanging around?
Sir,
I do have an objection.
Basis.
Form of question. And I don't know exactly what picture.
I sustain the question.
Looking at those pictures, about how old do you think you were when you took this picture?
Okay, which pictures are we talking about? Because it's kind of,
And I can go in order, I was trying to. So I'm gonna start with 56 W.
You gonna show me?
Yes, what about show? This picture is taken, was this picture taken in 2014?
Ask and answer.
which picture? Let's see.
56 W. And I can rephrase my question, Ron.
I'll sustain the question.
Mr. Copeland, approximately how old were you when you took this picture?
I don't know.
Looking at 368 Yankee. Look at 368 Y, about how old you think you were when you took the picture that's in 368 Yankee.
With all due respect, sometimes I be forgetting how old I am today.
Fully understandable. Would this picture have been taken around the time you took the other picture you just saw at 56 W?
I be had to count the years that I was born sometimes to say my age today.
I'm not asking your age.
I would never be able to tell you how old I was in none of the pictures.
I'm not asking your age.
Oh, wait, oh, I'm sorry. I thought I heard you ask the same question.
No, hear my question. When you took that picture we just saw, 56 W, would these pictures be taken around the same time, the same year, 2014?
I can't recall when they was taken.
Okay.
I know when I saw certain people, I wanted to take a picture with them.
How many times have you met Birdman?
Well, I done saw him. I never really engaged in conversation with him. And that.
Was that back in 2014 and 2015 or some other time outside that time?
It was back in the day.
Was it back in around that 2014, 2015 time or before that?
It was like I can't recall if it was 2013. I got out of jail in 2013. And my first time seeing Young Thug, I was with a friend. He took me around. I seen him. I can't remember if I seen Birdman that same day, but when I seen him, I asked, "Can you take a picture with him?"
And do you believe that that's the picture you took with Birdman, or is that another picture you took?
I think this. I don't know. I think this might be the only picture I took with him. I don't know though.
That's fair.
You said it's weird.
No, I said that's fair.
Oh,
Let me ask you this. Looking at all the pictures I just showed you with Young Thug, do you have the same relationship with Young Thug today that you had when these pictures were taken?
what you mean?
The pictures that I just showed you.
Yeah, you keep asking me this same question, knowing I don't comprehend you when you asking me that. Like, talk to me in a way where I understand.
All right, Mr. Copeland, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 10 pictures right here of you and Mr. Williams. Is that fair to say?
I'm in some picture by myself.
Some by yourself and some with Mr. Williams, right?
Right.
So my question for you is, all these pictures that have Mr. Williams in there,
Okay.
Can you identify them for the record, please?
I
Which
will.
ones you're talking, which 10 pictures you're talking about?
What he say?
he just wants me to call these numbers out for the record. And we're looking at 348 Yankee. I'm trying to do it in order for the record.
She said 348 Yankee.
We're looking at 348 Yankee, 368 Yankee, 369 Yankee, 370 Yankee, 371 Yankee, 372 Yankee, 164 Echo Hotel, and 164 Echo.
Get back. Excuse me.
Sir. I'm sorry, can you take a break?
No, I said excuse me.
Oh, okay.
Looking at these pictures,
I apologize, Your Honor. Those are the last 164.
Echo Lima,
Thank you.
were these pictures taken in and around the same time? So that's gonna be my first question.
When I took all these pictures around the same time,
Around the same year, 2014,
Yeah.
2015.
they should have been.
Okay. So we're saying that these are taken around 2014, 2015. Is that what you're saying?
I'm not being specific when they was taken. I know these pictures right here, the one that I do recall, was taken around the same time.
All right. And what year would that be, roughly?
I don't know. I can't say what specific. I don't keep up with the days, the months, and all that. I go day by day.
Okay. Let me ask you this. So in 164 Echo Hotel, this picture was taken October 12th, 2014.
October 12, 2014.
Yes. Will all these pictures be taken in and around the year 2014, maybe even 2015?
Objection asked and answered.
Oh, rule objection hasn't answered the question yet.
Wait, can I answer on that?
Yes, you can.
Can you ask me again?
Sure. would these pictures be taken around that time period? 2014, let's start there.
Yeah, like, I haven't taken no, like, this only time, like, I don't know.
Is it fair to say that
I'm gonna sustain this to form, just rephrase.
did you spend most of your time with Young Thug in 2014?
I got to be around him.
Who objects to form of that question?
I sustain the objection.
In these pictures, does Mr. Williams have blonde hair in most of these pictures?
I apologize.
The same group of pictures that we were just discussing. 164 Echo Hotel, 160.
Thank you.
All right.
Does he have blonde hair in his pictures?
Is blonde and gold the same?
Do you think blonde and gold are the same?
I wouldn't just ask you that if I thought it.
Does he have yellowish color hair and all these?
Yeah,
pictures?
yeah.
All right.
Ms. Hilton, before you posit the next question, I have it on good authority that we need to take a break.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay? All right. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, how about we take a 10-minute break or thereabouts, all right? For comfort. All right, all rise.
Hard times.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, our jury has left us. All parties, go ahead and take 10 minutes. We're in recess. Even though we had the thing on, we are gonna probably, we just talked about conversations about the length of and duration of Mr. Copeland's testimony. So, but for purposes of today, I'm just gonna recess and as soon as the jury comes out, okay? So we'll recess for today. We'll start back up tomorrow morning, 9:30 for a 10 o'clock start time, all right? All right. Go ahead and call Mr. Copeland back in, please. Go ahead and call Mr. Copeland back in, please. All right, Sergeant Ingram, summon our jurors, please. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please be seated.
I'll do his presentation.
All right, thank you, Sergeant Ingram. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to a point in the day which might be a natural stopping point for us today. So I'm going to recess you all until tomorrow morning. Tomorrow being Wednesday, we'll start. You all need to be here for 9:30 for anticipated 10 o'clock start time. And then we'll see where the day leads us, okay? All right, Mr. Copeland, we'll see you tomorrow morning at 9:30, okay?
I can go
For today. Yeah, for today. We're done for the day.
right
Yeah.
now?
Yeah, we'll see you in the morning at 9:30, all right? Yes?
All right.
Okay, all right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, any ministerial inquiry of me at this point? Okay, all right. Let's go ahead and review our nightly admonitions. Remember, when you leave today, leave your notepads in the basket. Please do not discuss anything you may have heard at any point in time during the trial of this matter with your group as a corporate body, in individual or smaller groups. As you sit back there in your headquarters at your liberation room, as you travel back and forth from wherever you may come from in our great county, or when you're here in the courthouse, remember, it would be a violation for you to sit back in any of those spaces, either inside the jury deliberation room or outside the jury deliberation room at any point in place, and recap, handicap, or otherwise discuss anything that may have heard in terms of testimony in this case. Remember that you can only consider this case once it is totally submitted to you, and I give you instructions on how to begin your delivery process. But until such time, you're not permitted to go ahead and get, as we call it, get a jump start on things. Okay. All right. Remember, it would be a violation also for you to go by and visit any of the scenes depicted, or you may have learned about through testimony maps or other pictures that may have been admitted so far for your consideration. You cannot go by and visit any of those scenes, take any photos yourself, do any sketches, or come back and otherwise share with your fellow jurors anything that you may know about anything that's been testified. Remember, you can only consider what has lawfully been presented within the four walls of this courtroom. Remember, also, it would be a violation for you to also seek outside assistance, be it persons, reference materials, the internet, or other sources to otherwise aid and augment your understanding as to what anything you may have covered or you may have learned in this particular courtroom. Remember, you can only consider what's lawfully presented inside this courtroom. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, if any third party seeks to try and contact you by any means or conveyance or communication, that your duty would be to let myself and Sergeant Ingram know immediately, and then we'll go ahead and act accordingly. And remember, ladies and gentlemen, as I finish with you, as is customary every night, thank you for your patience. Thank you for your continued attention, and thank you for the continued patience you'll continue to give the parties on the consideration of this matter. So, ladies and gentlemen, do you have anything else for me? Any other question? If not, we will see you tomorrow morning, 9:30, anticipated 10 o'clock start time. We'll see where the day leads us at that point, okay? All right, we're in recess. All rise. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please be seated. Our jury has left us. All right, counsel, do you have any ministerial inquiry with me? All right, anything on behalf of any defendants?
Can I just inquire if there's an estimate of time on direct? I understand that it may be lengthy, but all week, is it 2 weeks?
I was just staying up here at the bench. They'll have the ability to listen in, but I'll repeat it. At least till the end of the week, possibly in the next week.
Okay, and the reason I asked, I filed a motion, Your Honor, yesterday morning, which is 6/10/2024. And it's entitled Motion for Correct Rulings on Improper Objections by the State. I just want to make you aware before cross-examination. I've raised 2 issues about the objection.
Is this about the, I do recall you reviewing that particular motion, and yes, we can hear it prior to.
Thank you.
Just remind me again, just to make sure I flag it again. Yes, sir. All right, Mr. Sharp.
Get appropriate coverage on another courtroom Thursday if needed. We know our schedule
Thursday, as of right now, Mr. Sharp, Thursday, the 13th should be a regular workday. All right. Anybody else? Okay. All right, unless there's anything else, councils, I'll see you all tomorrow morning for 9:30 for anticipated 10 o'clock start time, okay? All right, we're in recess.